welcome to Lenderking. We're America's oldest caging company. We're a 153-year-old company with a rich history of making innovative animal cages that support natural behaviors, but also support the people on the other side of the cage who maintain the equipment and support our animal heroes. If you're interested in fixed-in-place kennels, just pay attention to some of the quality of work and the design details, and just forget about the casters. All right now I'm going to show you our mobile kennel, where the door is on the short side. As with all of our systems, this is created out of stainless steel and passivated to ensure a long life cycle. This kennel is showcasing our Dutch door feature, which all of our kennels can come with. That means a door within a door. So now you can open the door and have access to the animal without releasing the animal inside. Our door handles are easy to operate with one hand. They also offer places to add a padlock or a carabiner to lock out the system. This kennel is featuring our T-bar flooring. This is a really strong fiberglass flooring. These kennels can also come in with the plastisol coated expanded metal. T-bar flooring is super strong and is great for pigs or dogs. It's also non-slip.